all the stars at night. I see you in my life, I feel
To the world, you may be just a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero. Love and thank you, Ma'am Dailin, from your 3 ESM 2024 to 2025 family.
Thank you so much, my dear parents, for this batch. Among yung pinaka-supportive, loving, wala na nagpapahuli. Sa tanan-tanan na ipaibig niyo po. This is a tears of joy. Of course, sa mga bata, grade 4 na, I will miss them so much. Ang pakulitan, although makulit, loving, especially her one, I will miss her one so much. I will miss all of you. Always, thank you so much, Grace. From the bottom of my heart, wala na dito din pabayaan. Sana nung ulubrahon. I'm very glad and happy na wala ka po yung function as a group of parents. Ang ginagawa kayo as teachers, kung wala ang parents, hindi natin mga ulubrahon na maging successful. Pero as a group kamo, with your very supportive, energetic president, vice president, tanan ng officers, o tanan ng parents, supportive at katapa. Kabay na sa grade 6 kamo, amuman kamo sa gihapon, sila ka-solid grade 3 ESM parents. May ara sometimes nga nag-disagree, but at the end of the day, nag-agree mo sa gihapon. That is what you call may pag-ugyod kitang tanan. Also the kids, I know the kids, mamiss naman ko, ari lang kita po din, malabay kabayan, yung Monday. Kung may mga pamangkot ka mo, ari lang din, si Teacher Dailin, si Ma'am Grace, pwede nyo mga pamangkutan, kaya ari lang din kami as your second mother, as your guidance counselor. Kita nyo man, yung mga manang nyo grade 4, grade 5, mag-birthday, nag-ID guide, Teacher Dailin. Kaya balaan nila nga, kung mamangkot sila, sabutong tubig na ihapon. Okay? Hindi ka mo magkahuya, hindi magkasaha. Because kami din nga teachers, is your second mother. Okay? Thank you so much all of you. Kaibig nyo ko for the last time. Ibihan nyo na. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you all. Okay?
Thank you again, Ma'am Dailin. God bless us all.